Hi, let's go on with the third paragraph of the unit of algebra. Today, we are going to study what are similar monomials and how to add and subtract similar monomials. So first, let's see what similar monomials are. Similar monomials are those monomials that have the same literal part. That's it. So two monomials are similar only in the case they have the same literal part. Remember what the literal part is. The literal part is the part, the product of the variables. So in this monomial, the literal part is x, y, t squared. In this one is a, b. So the literal part is everything but the coefficient. Okay, everything that is not coefficient is literal part. So now, because you know that similar monomials are those monomials that have the same literal part, let's see if we can find couples of monomials that they have the same literal part. For example, this is 4x y t squared. The literal part is x y t squared. Can you find here another monomial that has the same literal part? Yes, it is. So these two monomials are similar monomial, or some people call them like monomials. Okay, similar monomials, monomios semejantes in Spanish, or like monomials also in English. So we could say that they have the same literal part, x, y, t squared, so they are similar monomials. Let's see one. For example, this 5ab is similar to this? No, it is not, because the literal part of this is ab, the literal part of this is ab squared. So this doesn't have a partner. Let's see this 5ab squared. Look that this is a squared b, then this doesn't have a partner either. What about these two? Yes, they have similar monomial. Can you see? They have the same literal part. So we have found that in the group of the monomials we had in this column, we only had two couple of similar monomials. They are similar. Okay, they are similar. And these are not similar. We don't find any similar monomial to this. Okay, let's take this out because they don't have a couple. We cannot do anything with them. But they are similar monomial. Good. Okay. Look what we have here, because we have to learn how to add monomials. Well, to add monomials is compulsory. Sorry, one moment. To add, you can add or subtract only similar monomials. Okay, this is the only monomials that you can add or subtract. Those that are similar monomials. Look, this you cannot add this monomial plus this. Is forbidden, or this plus this is forbidden too. You can operate this monomial with this. You can add or subtract this monomial with this because they are similar monomials, or this with that. Okay, how do we do that? How do we do the addition or subtractions of monomials? Well, the The only thing we have to do when we operate monomials is to add the coefficients. We operate the coefficients. So to add or subtract monomials, you leave the same literal part and operate the coefficients. So let's see examples. This one. Can you add or subtract these monomials? Let's check if they have the same literal part. A, B, C cube, A, B, C cube. Then, yes, they are similar monomials. Then we can type the solution of this, because the only thing we have to do is to operate the coefficient. 23 minus 11. 23 minus 11 is 12. So we leave the same literal part, A, B, C to the power of 3, and operate the coefficient. So 23 ABC cube minus 11 ABC cube equals to 12 ABC cube, right? It's the same that you study in the school, that you can add or subtract apples, but you cannot add apples plus bananas or plus peaches, right? Another example, 5x plus 9x plus 2x. Are they similar monomials? Yes, they are, because they all have the same literal part, x. So now we can add this. So we leave the same literal part, x, and add the coefficients. 5 plus 9, 14, plus 2, 16. Then this is 16x. What about this one? Can we operate this? First, we have to check if we can add or subtract. They have to have the same literal part. Xy cube is not the same as x cube y. Then we cannot operate. Okay? So this cannot be, you cannot say that this is equal to 9 or to 1, because you cannot subtract 5 this, that can be apples, minus 4 pears, right? So remember that you only can operate similar monomials. So first you have to check if they are similar, taking the literal part. Later you operate, you add or subtract by adding or subtracting the coefficients. So I think now you are ready to do the exercises about additions and subtractions of monomials. Hope you can. See you.